When to replace airbag module. If you do not know what an airbag module is or what it does, you most likely do not know when you need to replace it. For your own safety, it is important to learn, so let me fill you in. The SRS airbag module in your vehicle is a tiny unit generally located beneath the driver or front passenger seat. Even though the unit is relatively small, it serves a big role in preserving occupant safety on the road. This is because the entire airbag system, which includes the airbags themselves, the impact sensors, and seat belt pre-tensioners, depends on the SRS airbag module. Without a properly functioning module, or without one altogether, the airbags would not be able to deploy during an accident. As you can imagine, that can result in a greater possibility of injury or even death. When a vehicle has been involved in an accident, the SRS airbag module picks up the information during the crash, such as the vehicle and engine speed, seat belt use, throttle position, seat belt pre-tensioner deployments, impact speed change, airbag deployments, and brake light switch position. All this information is stored in the form of crash data and hard codes. When the unit has all that stored data in it, it is an indication that it needs to be replaced. This would be the proper time to purchase a brand new SRS airbag module or reset the present unit back to factory settings. Otherwise, the airbags will not be able to serve their purpose in the future. You probably won't want to replace the unit entirely at the dealer, knowing that you have an equally safe, and more affordable, alternative. You can send the unit into a company that specializes in resetting SRS airbag modules, Safety Restore.